by Satyavahana King Hala. Okay? Gata Saptashti in Maharashtra, which is composed in a Prakrit language. And who has composed this? Satyavahana King Hala. In this book, we get all the information about the life of the people during the Satyavahana period. The Indian trade, see, the Indian trade will get also increased during the Satyavahana period. Even the Paitan, Tet, Bokran, Kolhapur, they were recognized as an important center of trade. And during this period, many artistic objects were produced at these places. Indian goods, they were also exported far away as Rome. Some of the Satyavahana kings, see, if you will observe the Satyavahana kings, there was an image of the ship. It means that from this we come to know that in Satyavahana dynasty there is a great importance of the trade, and even the curved sculpture, this curved sculpture that is in Karla. You all are, mostly people are knowing the Equira goddess. Equira goddess, it is at Karla. So just close to that temple, this Karla cave is there. Likewise, Ajanta, Nashik, Karla, Bhaje, Kaneri, all these are carved during the Satyavahana period. Now the Vakatka dynasty. Okay, so the Vakatka, the power is began. When it began, when this Satyavahana dynasty come to it's become weakened. So that's Satyavahana dynasty is emerged, merge means mix. They make a friendship with the Vakatka dynasty. Because of this, they become a powerful country. They become a powerful dynasty. Then this Vakatka dynasty founded by the Vindhya Shakti. Who is the founder of this Vakatka dynasty? Vindhya Shakti, and he was succeeded by the Pravasen I. And after his death, the kingdom of Vakatka got divided. You know very well. After the parent, the property gets divided among the two kids. In the same way, Vakatka is also get divided into two branches. First one is a Nandivardhan, which is near Nagpur, and the other branch is a Vatsagalam. And Vatsagalam is today's Washing. Okay, Parvasen I, that we know very well that Vindhya Shakti is a founder of the Vakatka dynasty, and the Pravasen I is a successor of the Vakatka dynasty. Then this Parvasen I, he extended his Vakatka kingdom in the north up to Malwa and Gujarat in the Gujarat. Means north in the Gujarat, north up to Malwa and Gujarat, and the south up to Kolhapur. At this time, Kolhapur was known as a Kuntal. Just like Delhi is known as Indraprastha, in the same way, Kolhapur was known as a Kuntal in the ancient time of India. And even we have in a last lesson we have learned that the Chandragupta II has married her daughter Prabhavati Rudrasen II of a Vakatka king. Same way, Varadev is a minister of the Vakatka king. Harishen was a follower of Buddhism. And the cave number 16 at Ajanta. What? Cave number 16 at Ajanta was dug in this period. Then the other caves at Ajanta, they were dug and they beautified during the Harisen region. Then the Vakatka king Parvasen II They composed a Setubandhi in Maharashtra, even a Kalidasa, Meghaduh. They were also in the period along with in the Vakatka dynasty. Then the Chalukya dynasty. The Chalukya dynasty, it is in Karnataka, and that was the powerful one. The kingdom of Kadamba, Kalachuri, and they become a powerful. After the declination of the Vakatka, it means the one dynasty get declined, the other came to an exist. In the same way, the Chalukya king established their dominance all over them, means on whose, on Kadamba kingdom, Kalachuri kingdom. Pulkeshi I, they established the rule of Chalukya dynasty in a 6th century. If question comes when the Chalukya dynasty came to an exist, it came to an exist in the 6th century. And the capital of Chalukya dynasty is the Badami. Okay, previously this Badami's name was the Vatapi, and the Chalukya's king Pulkeshi II, they have successfully repulsed the Harshvardhan invasion. Means the Harshvardhan of Vardha dynasty, they attack on the Chalukya, but this one get won by the Pulkeshi II. Okay. Famous temples at Badami, Ayole, Patadakkal, they were built during this period. Now, students, regarding this Palwa dynasty. Okay, so the Palwa dynasty, they were the powerful dynasty in South India, Kachipuram. Okay, so the Kachipuram was their capital. Even the C student Mahendra Varman was an able ruler. Means a notable king of the Palwa dynasty, and he was expanded his Palwa kingdom. He was also a good playwright, and his Narsimha Varman repulsed means won attack done by the Chalukya king Pulkeshi II. The famous Ratha temple of Mahabalipuram, it was sculpted, I mean it is sculpted on the one rock. What? Ratha temple. I guess you have seen this Ratha temple on our 50 rupees note. 50 rupees का नोट देखोगे ना तो तुम्हें वो उसमें वो दिख जाएगा Ratha temple. Okay, so that Ratha temple as built also, or it is sculpted during the at the time of the Palwa dynasty. And the Palwas, they had a powerful, well-equipped navy during the ancient period of time. And India came in close contact with the countries of Southeast Asia. Even the internal trade get also flourished during this time. Yuan Chuang also visited in Kachi, and they have recorded that the people of all religions, they get a proper treatment in the time of the dynasty, Palwa dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty. Okay, so at the height of their power, this Rashtrakuta dynasty extended from Vindhya mountain up to Kanyakumari in the south. And their first power was established in a Maharashtra by King Danti Durga. Who established this Rashtrakuta dynasty in Maharashtra? King Danti Durga. Even students, you can see this picture. This picture is a Kailash temple, which is carved at Yellora. Now, up to now, students, we have learned about the various dynasty which is in the north part India and the south part of India. So students, here I would like to say that the Periplex of the Erythraean Sea. Okay, this is a handbook, means it is a kind of a book, student. And for this Greek, the Indian Ocean, Persian Gulf, they were a part of the Red Sea and Sea Handbook of a Red Sea. It was written, this book was written in the 1st century. and the sailor who wrote, the person who wrote, who lives in Egypt. And here in this, they have mentioned how the trade went along with the Indian coastline, the Persian Gulf, and Egypt. Ports like Bari Gaza, Badaj, Nala Sopara, Kalyan, Muziris they are mentioned as an important port in this book. And Muziris was a port near Kochi in Kerala. These are the ancient Erythraean Sea. See students, here we have discussed about a Nane Ghat, okay, of a Satavahana dynasty. See students, I just wanted to tell you about a Nane Ghat. Nane Ghat is a mountain pass. Nane Ghat is a mountain pass in between Junnur, okay, and Pune. And this Nane Ghat joins, okay, this Nane Ghat joins the Murba, Thane district, okay, Thane district and Pune district. And this Nane Ghat, this ghat is 5 kilometers long. And this Nane Ghat was built in Satavahana kings. This Nane Ghat will get built in Satavahana dynasty. And Satavahana dynasty in our India get established near about 1000 years ago. See, that Nane Ghat built 1100 years ago. Okay, but still, sorry, not 1000, 2000 years ago. It's my mistake. 2000 years ago, this Nane Ghat was built, and still it is well in condition. Sorry. Then you can see what kind of work they have done, what kind of quality work they have used it. And right now, एक पुल बना, एक ब्रिज बनाते 20 years के बाद ही वो खराब हो जाता है. 25 years, max to max 40 years. But this Nane Ghat, even we have learned about one dam which is built by the Samudragupta, not Samudragupta, Chandragupta in Gujarat. Okay, still it is well in condition. Just take the example, fort, our various fort, Raigad Fort, Shivneri Fort, they were built in the 16th century. Still it is in very good in condition. Murud Janjira Fort, that Murud Janjira Fort, it is in the sea. वो तो sea में है. Sindhudurga Fort, it is in sea, but still it is well in condition. What kind of work it is done during that time? Right now, see. So it means that what I am trying to say, this is built in a Satavahana king, and it is used one of the trade between the Konkan coast and the Deccan Plateau, because this ghat joins the Pune and the Thane districts. So definitely, so it joins the Konkan coast and the Deccan Plateau, and it is carved. Whatever it is carved, a picture means a ranjan, still it is visible. And who has donated money to make this Nane Ghat? It is written in this Nane Ghat. And even we can see our statues of a Satavahana king also during this Nane Ghat. If people goes Pune by Murbad or by that ghat, you will see, you can visit a Nane Ghat, but mostly people goes Pune by the another route, by Khandala route, okay, by Karjat route. If you will go with this Nashik route, then you can visit a Nane Ghat. Okay, so here we have done with our this lesson. Okay, now it's time for our evaluation.